like literally the gauge is broken. You literally got a hold of it, I'm telling you, man.
It's undervolting the... Okay.
What did you do now? What happened?
This just came out of it.
Oh, that's just a seal. Does it work?
Hang on.
You're not listening to me. You need to hold it.
This is Dawn, by the way. Lifted itself. Nothing yet. I feel like I can hear it. I'm not sure if it's far enough. You want to back it up a little bit? Go and check the bottom. Keep going. Okay, wait there.
It is there. Yeah, that's it.
There we go. There, look at that.
I don't have the patching stuff.
Oh, we'll get that done later today. I sprayed again, show to people. This is just straight Dawn dish detergent with water. Don't want to get that on anything with grease. But it's also not a harsh chemical that's gonna dissolve your paint. That's how they find leaks in gas lines.
But a torch is better.
Good. Gonna burn it, hey?
Yeah, that's what you put in mine, eh? I did the same thing with my brother when I was living in Toronto there. Basically, I had a hole in my Kia tire.
Oh yeah.
And same thing, we did that, you know?
I was wondering, how is he going to get the rim off? I don't see a rim puller.
He's got a rim puller. He's got it all here, dude.
Yeah.
You don't even have to.
No.
Now, these are the old style patches. The new ones are like a plug that goes from the inside.
Yeah.
That's the one that I've seen before.
Fuck the what?
Don't fit, eh?
We're making it a dually.
It's funny your father said that. Hey, what happened to my car?
What's going on? We made it look more peaceful. We put slicks on it.
Yeah.
It says 35 psi on them all.
Okay.
Yeah, she was quite low.
Yeah. Shot. Ready to go again.
Ready to go? Perfect.